Claude Code is basically an agent in your terminal, in your repo. So it has the capability to read your code, edit files, or run commands. It actually democratizes the capability of building, of coding. It's us not basically skipping code, pero it allows us to accelerate the things that we used to do na trivial.
I believe every student should be open to new changes, being open to changes, being open to the technology improvements is one of the ways for us to be able to adapt to the changes that's happening around us and all around the globe.
Grabe pala talaga yung tool natin ngayon sa tech field kasi yung Claude Code, marami na talaga siyang kayang gawin. So, ever-changing talaga yung technology trends and whatnot. And it's so amazing how we can automate and make our jobs faster. iAcademy Beyond Better.